Welcome to Season 8 of the Finding Peace podcast. This season is focused on practical, trauma-informed tools you can use in everyday life. When emotions run high, relationships feel heavy, or your nervous system needs support. Short episodes designed to help you find more peace, joy, and connection, one moment at a time. Please welcome the host of the Finding Peace podcast, best-selling author, psychotherapist, and speaker, Troy L. Love.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Finding Peace podcast. If you've been with me for a while, I just want to start by saying thank you. Thank you for listening, for doing the work, for being willing to sit with some really meaningful conversations, sometimes uncomfortable conversations. Last season, we spent our time walking together through the Finding Peace Worksheet. We slowed things down, explored awareness patterns, attachment wounds, and pieces of ourselves that often keep us stuck. That season was very intentional, and if you're still working through the worksheet, I want you to know there's no rush. Healing is not a race. This season, though, we are shifting gears a bit. Instead of walking step by step through the worksheets, this season is all about practical, trauma-informed tools you can actually use in your real everyday life. Tools to help you find more peace, more joy, and more love. Not someday, not when everything is fixed, but right now, in the middle of your life as it is. These episodes are going to be shorter, about 10 to 15 minutes, and very focused. Each episode will introduce one core idea, practice, or tool you can try immediately. Some will help you regulate your nervous system. Some will help you respond differently in relationships. Some will help you get out of your head and back into your body. And some will help you reconnect with the parts of you that have been exhausted, guarded, or quietly longing for more. My intention for this season is simple. I want you to leave each episode with something usable, not just something insightful. Because insight matters, but integration is where change happens. You don't need to overhaul your life. You don't need to become somebody else. And you don't need to be healed in order to feel peace. You just need small moments of intention, consistency, and compassion. So whether you're listening on a commute, between sessions, on a walk, or in a quiet moment that finally belongs to you, this season is designed to meet you right where you are. I'm really glad you're here. Let's get practical. Let's get honest, and let's keep finding peace together.
You've been listening to the Finding Peace podcast. Special thanks to Intrex for providing the theme music for this season and helping set the tone for reflection, grounding, and hope. If this episode supported you, please like, subscribe, and share the Finding Peace podcast. Your support helps these practical, trauma-informed tools reach more people who are seeking peace, clarity, and connection. To explore more resources, workshops, and upcoming events, visit findingpeaceconsulting.com. The Finding Peace podcast is hosted by best-selling author, psychotherapist, and speaker Troy L. Love. Until next time, remember, you are worthy of love and belonging.